here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a VIP chat tag. And what you want to do is you need the script for this, so why don't you go down to the description of the video. The script and model will be there, and I will explain everything in the video. So once you have that, you also will need a game pass, because when you own the game pass, or when the player owns the game pass, then the player or you will be able to have the chat tag. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to get the script. For me, I'm just going to paste it, and here it is, the VIP chat tag. And what you want to do is you want to open it, so you will be able to change the game pass here to whatever game pass you want, and this will be the name of the chat tag. And also, you guys would also want to change the color of this. So for example, I'm just going to name it red, yellow, and then after that, guys, you will be able to put your own game pass ID in here. So once you put that game pass ID in there, test the game now. So why don't you go to play, and let's see what happens. So it should work. Okay, guys, so I am right here, and why don't we go to chat? I'll just say hi, and see, guys, it'll show the VIP name. It says hi, and it also has the chat tag over there. It says I'm VIP. So yeah, guys, it worked. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please be sure to subscribe for more of this, and I will also be posting the VIP chat tag in the description so you guys could get it yourselves. Bye, everyone.